Complaints have officially been filed with the federal government in regards to pop-up ads inside of cars. The headliner here is Subaru and how the company has been using invasive pop-up ads to try and hawk SiriusXM, but they aren't the only guilty party. But Subaru definitely seems to be the most egregious example so far, because people are reporting that the ad has not only been a distraction while driving, it's even going as far as overriding Apple CarPlay and closing it just to display the ad. Side note, people are still paying for satellite radio. Maybe that's the real headline here. One Subaru owner posted to Reddit saying that we're going to report this to the NHTSA and provided a link to encourage others to do so as well. Maybe not a bad idea, because another driver claims that an ad almost made them crash their car while driving because of the distraction. At the end of the day, I think we should all just allow ads to remain where they belong, like this video. If you want to be protected from in-car pop-up ads ever ruining you, check out the linked dash cam below so you can have evidence when the pop-up ads make you crash or when an uninsured driver pulls a hit and run.